I just goes.
Yummy? Would you like some, Micah? Okay, you're not going anywhere with that. You're going to stain Mommy's carpet up. So get your drinks in. Can you say hi to the camera? Say hi, people. Mommy wants some. Got them? Come get them. Juice?
Yeah.
Juice? Can you say juice? Stop tilting it so much. You don't need to tilt it. Stop! Alright, I'm about to take the whole thing from you. Stop. You don't want to listen. Nope.